Today everyone, today we are going to do a polarity experiment. And the materials that we need in doing this experiment is water, gasoline, vinegar, and of course, pang mix kutsara, tablespoon. So, let's go ahead. So first is we'll be using this materials, vinegar, 5 tablespoons in a 1 cup of water. You may jump it now. That's a 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons.
Pwede ba subtitle na ba sa boss?
And lastly, 5 tablespoons.
Commercial.
Next is we will mix it very well.
Stir it
Boy.
thoroughly.
And the next material is oil. And just like in the vinegar, we will put 5 tablespoons of oil in a cup of water. Drop it down. 1 tablespoon.
Fine. And we're gonna stir it thoroughly.
And next is gasoline. Take note everyone that if you are going to use a gasoline, you must be cautious because the smell of it is hazardous. Put it down there. 1 tablespoon.
Fine. Then stir it.
Next is we will combine or mix a 5 tablespoon oil and 5 tablespoon of vinegar. Katawan niyo yun. Pero hindi sila cari sa wait sa bodeng, nag-video dili day. Next is 5 tablespoons of oil and gasoline. And the last is 5 tablespoons of vinegar and
5
gasoline. Nagdadalaga na talaga to si Ninyo. Nagpipiling na. Ilong daw eh. Dep, ano po kuha? Isa. Mix ba ka nisa? 2.
Which of the following steps have mixed well, and which not?
So as you can all see, in all of these 6 cups, we could say that this first cup, vinegar plus water, mix well. And the 5th cup, which composes of oil and gasoline, also mix well. And the cups that did not mix well is the 2nd cup, which is composes of gasoline and water. The 3rd cup, which is composes of oil and water. And the 4th cup, which composes of gasoline and vinegar. And the 6th cup, which is composes of
And vinegar.
vinegar. In conclusion, we could say that the heavier the elements,
Ang gasoline and oil kay na-mix well sila together kay both dense man sila. So, as we can see here, ang gasoline and ang oil kay ni-flow sila kay less dense man sila compared sa water. And kaning vinegar and water, di-mix sila. So both dense man sila, na-mix well sila together. So, o pareho sila o kana sila density or something, ma-mix well sila together.
Unsure
Sila,
ba, unsure?
much more dense sila mo na mix well sila together. So diri less dense man sila na mix well sila together. So here is the vinegar and the vinegar, gasoline and oil and vinegar. So ang vinegar kay much more dense man sila compared sa oil and gasoline again. So mo na ang vinegar kay na sila sa rock bottom while ang oil and gasoline kay na sila sa nag-float sila sa taas. And
In conclusion, we could say that the heavy elements is nasa ubos, while the light element is nasa taas. For instance, this element which is composed of two, the water and the gasoline, whereas the water sunk, while the gasoline raised up or nasa taas, we float. And another example is this one. Oil nasa taas, and tubig nasa ubos.